Every day when I get behind the bar, I stand tall with curiosity to serve something that would make anyone's taste bud crave for more. It's not just about serving a drink. It's about bringing in a sense of style, energy, and artistry to give an experience that anyone would like to indulge in again and again. I have seen people indulge in some of the best conversation over a drink, and trust me, it's a joy to see people making memories. If you got the zeal to woo and win, you're at the right place. I am Abhishek Bhalerao, a bartender and your professor, ready to mix, shake, serve you a better life.